of her mind. Hold her hand and don't believe a lie. You understand.
Hey, my K-babes. I'm whispering. I'm whispering because my husband is upstairs sleeping. So, yeah. It's the morning of my last day of school. No more carrying this big old book because it's hurting my shoulders even more. But anyways, yes. I'm about to go to school. It is, let me see what time it is right now. 7:18. I normally leave at like 7:30, but I want to stop and get some breakfast and I want to be on time, so I plan my time out. Time management is what I'm working on in 2024. Time management. So I'm going to school early because I'm leaving the house early so I can go get me some breakfast. It's my last rodeo. Might as well knock it out with a bang. But yeah, I get back to y'all when I get to school and y'all gonna meet my friends. And yeah, peace out. This is what we do on our lunch. We just started eating lunch together. Yeah, that's my lunch. We just started eating lunch together.
The last day.
You know how simple they do like this. Taking me and but yeah, we're on lunch right now and it's supposed to be studying, so I'm definitely like sleeping.
Oh, it's burning! Oh, it's burning! Did you put water? Yes! Unplug! It's a fire! It's right, there's a fire! Unplug it! Unplug it! Nope, you need... I got it. Listen, why are you so dreamy? Oh my god! How did it work? Next is the cup, like, literally caught on fire. Are you serious? Yes. And it's microwavable. Wait, is it paper? The foil. It was the foil. Not foil. You put the foil? Yeah, because it said it was foil.
Guys, there's a fire.
But the foil was not.
I'm shocked.
Oh my god.
What's your name? Shirley.
Polena.
Girl. I'm gonna put her link for her YouTube channel in the description down below, so make sure you go follow her, subscribe. Okay, I'm asking you questions. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of this class?
Meeting new friends and starting this new career together.
Period. What was the worst part of the class?
My vape dying.
Oh, is that your? That's your final answer? Oh, yeah. I still don't know how to pronounce it, so don't. Yeah.
Call her Anu.
Yeah. What was your?
Mommy Anu.
Thank you. What was your favorite part of the class?
I don't know, maybe clinicals and making new friends.
Yes. What was the worst part of the class? You look so cute. You guys look so cute.
Making me blush.
The worst part of class was probably the amount of homework that she prescribed.
Yeah. Yeah. Totally agree. My favorite part was definitely clinicals. And same answer as her. Clinicals and making new friends. My least favorite part is probably clinicals when it was taking too long. Like, sometimes it gets to a point where it's like draining, you know? Homework. Stop. Some people take longer than others, you know? Yeah. Homework, trash. Hate it. Yeah.
Guys, on the road to 600K.
Oh.
How much? How much?
Success. What'd you say? What was the question?
What did you say?
Success.
Guys, make sure you subscribe to Jaylin.
Look at you in your element.
When she moves to, she's gonna be coming up
Oh my
with
God,
these
Oh my
bags.
gosh, it was a secret. I wasn't telling them.
Oh my god, leave it out.
Yeah,
leave it out, leave it out.
yeah. Okay, when she moves, then what?
She's gonna be coming out with good ass content.
Yep. I'm gonna be consistent. Right?
In the name of Jesus.
Oh my god.
Never mind. Kahalu 44.
Is that like the hood or something? What's your What's your name?
My name is Alyssa.
Well,
Am I looking in the camera?
yeah. You want to look at yourself? No. Yeah. What's your favorite? What was your favorite part of this class?
Making new friends.
Mm-hmm.
Learning more about them.
Definitely. What was the worst part of the class?
Just the loads of homework. Oh yeah, I forgot the test. Everything.
That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Overall, what was your experience? How do you rate it?
I'll say 10 out of 10.
Really? So if you was friends with somebody and it was like, oh, I want to do dental assistant, would you recommend them to come to this school?
I would for if you wanted to go to college faster
Mm-hmm.
and not for years and years.
Yeah.
I feel like it's faster training.
That's good. Oh, thank you. Thank you for talking on my blog.
Okay, start now. Okay, so my content was extraction. Yeah. What is an extraction? Extraction is a procedure to remove a tooth from the gum socket. A tooth extraction is needed if you have infected teeth, periodontal disease, severe decay, or have experienced trauma. A tooth extraction can also help improve your oral health. And those are the pictures. Yeah. So that one is impacted. And this is decay. Okay, great. Okay. This is some more examples. Dentist will grab elevation. Dentist will push the tooth up using the elevator. And the dental system will grab surgical tip. Dental assistant will have surgical suction as he's pushing up the tooth. He or she is pushing up the tooth. Once the tooth is elevated, the dentist will grab forceps, and the dentist will pull out the tooth while suction is still going on. Once the tooth is extracted, the dentist will give the tooth away to be disinfected, and the dentist will put gauze and pressure where the tooth wants to go. Patient is to wait 5 to 10 minutes to make sure they don't faint.